Here's how to receive text messages on your Apple Watch. Now, if you have an Apple Watch, you can see I have mine here and my iPhone. Let's set it up so that I get text message and notifications and they pop up. The first thing you're going to do on your iPhone is swipe down and then type in Watch and tap on the Watch app. Now, from here, scroll down and choose Notifications midway down. And then scroll down until you get to Messages and tap on that. You can see on here you can choose to mirror your iPhone, or I would recommend switching this to custom. This means even if your iPhone is on Do Not Disturb, your Apple Watch will get those text messages. And I usually turn on a haptic so that it'll vibrate, but turn off sound because vibration is good enough for me. Now let's access them on the Apple Watch. So let me just unlock the Apple Watch real quick and enter in the passcode. And now after I've done that, let's open it up. And you can see here is the Messages app right there. So I'm going to just tap on Messages. And then I can tap on any of these messages or swipe down to be able to see all of the recent messages. And I can tap on them to either read them or, of course, just respond to them if I feel like it. I hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave your comment with a feedback down below. It really helps me get an idea of whether this video helped you, or maybe there are things that I missed and you're still having issues with your Apple Watch.